Welcome to our channel. Zelle is integrated into Huntington Bank's online and mobile banking, allowing you to send money instantly to friends and family. Step 1. Ensure you have an active Huntington checking account. Zelle requires a checking account for sending and receiving money. Step 2. Log into Huntington online banking at huntington.com or open the Huntington mobile app. Step 3. Look for Send Money with Zelle in the main menu or under Transfers and Payments. Step 4. Click or tap on Zelle to access the service. If this is your first time, you'll need to enroll. Step 5. Accept Zelle's terms and conditions to proceed with enrollment. Step 6. Provide your email address or US mobile phone number to register with Zelle. This will be your Zelle ID. Step 7. Verify your email or phone number by entering the confirmation code Zelle sends you. Step 8. Select which Huntington account you want linked to Zelle for sending and receiving payments. Step 9. To send money, enter the recipient's email or phone number. If they're already enrolled in Zelle, the money transfers within minutes. Step 10. Enter the amount, add a memo if desired, and review before sending. Note that Zelle transactions typically cannot be canceled once sent, so verify recipient information carefully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.